Shenzhenjing Xinlong Optoelectronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2010 and is located in Longhua District, Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. It is the beautiful environment and convenient transportation. So far, Goldzuno have 4 manufacturing bases in Shenzhen, Jiangmen, Dongguan, and Thailand, covers an area of 20,000 square meters and has 300 employees. We are specialized in LED lighting industry over 15 years. Our company has strongly experience in the LED lighting industry. Our main products included indoor lighting, outdoor lighting, and smart lighting certificated with ETL, CTL, FCCC, etc. Besides, we have been constantly developing new products to meet different requirements for our clients. Our company has 20 testing machines to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional product knowledge, excellent services, and competitive prices. Our products are exported to North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions with an annual sales volume of more than 3 million sets, and are well received by customers all over the world. At the same time, we also take OEM and ODM orders. Whether you choose a product from our existing catalog or would like to customize your own product, you are welcome to contact our customer service center at any time and tell us your procurement requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.